Well, SEI has certainly come out of left field and is just soaring 95 plus percent up in the last 7 days. And on the 1 day up 24 plus percent. But this is a massive run up. You can see it just catapulting up. So I'm going to give you 3 or 4 reasons as to why SCI is continuing just to crush it. And it's the number one crypto right now on the 7 day percentage out of the top 100 and far outpacing everything else. You can see the next one, the closest, is only up 25 plus percent. So why is SCI just absolutely catapulting up? We're going to get into that, but you can take a look at it right here. Here's another view of it. They were running along. In fact, we were just in a little bit of a down trim, and then all of a sudden, boom, we moved massively up. This, by the way, this buy alert, momentum up, is from my software that I'll tell you about here in a little bit. If you would have had it, you could have cashed in on 90+% profits. $1,000 bought here would have made you over $902 in profits in 7 days. So I'm going to share with you how you can get it for about $1.15 a day. And that's not a bad trade-off, right? $1,000 invested in SEI on this buy alert would have made you $902 in 7 days. So for $1.15 or so, $1.15 for so, that's not bad. Okay, so let's take a look at what is going on. So why the SEI price is pumping? There's a couple of major things, but one of the biggest is SEI's recent selection by the Wyoming Stable Token Commission. Now, this may not be something that's on your radar. It could be something that you didn't really think was that big of a deal. No, they chose SEI as a candidate blockchain for what could become the first U.S. state-backed stablecoin. Therein lies why it's a big deal. It beat out Ethereum and Base. Okay, so that's some of the real value here. By the way, SEI scored a perfect 30 out of 30 in their tech evaluation. So very, very, very impressive. Okay, so now it's officially on the U.S. regulatory radar. You can start to see how this picture is coming into view. Okay, so this is something, when it comes to compliance, something institutional players care about. It's a move that boosted trust and drawing serious attention from both retail and pro investors. So have you missed out? Have you missed out on the massive gains that are coming? I mean, if we look at SEI and we look at where they're at, right, they're a $1.83 billion market cap, 94+%, 7 days, and shooting up dramatically, again, 24% to get to grab the number 46 spot. Lots of room here to move up. Okay, still lots of opportunity, still major opportunity ahead. And I think that there's still a lot of room for this one to go. Okay, so giving you a couple of other reasons as to why this is playing out. So the growing ecosystem and on-chain usage is I was going to say scatoloping, but that basically, you know what I meant. It's going up. Where did I get that? That was random. Okay. The rising DEX activity also supports the rally. Its decentralized exchanges have reached a record 327 million in daily swap volume on the SEI DEX side, up nearly 200% month on month. You can start to see this thing is growing. It's like a snowball going downhill. So other protocols, SailorFi, DragonSwap, Symphony are driving this activity, indicating genuine usage beyond speculation. Network is also seeing rising wallet adoption. Wallet adoption means wallets. People that have wallets are actively involved with the DEX, actively involved in the ecosystem. SEI now ranks number 2 in active wallets across all EVM chains, with over 8.1 million and 74% growth in recent months. Starting to see a trend here. SEI is gaining momentum. They were backed by Coinbase Ventures, Multicoin Capital, and Jump. SEI also benefits from a $120 million ecosystem fund. This thing is good. It's going to continue. There's a lot more here. Undergoing a major infrastructure, can't talk, upgrade, so forth. Price chart, breakout confirmation looks really great. Everything is looking good. Okay, so let's get back real quickly. I promised you I would show this to you. So you notice how, like right here, go back from here to here, 8 days, 24% move up right there. So that was a buy to a sell. This is my trading indicator. Links are in the description below. If you're watching this on X, the link's below this video as well. So that link will take you here to x1algo.com. There is a quarterly option, a monthly option, an annual option, and that discount, that link down there to get you to pay, there's a discount code SP1. Use that at checkout to get the cheap price, even cheaper than you see here, and it's going to help you make more money, okay? 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So you're completely protected by a money back guarantee. So really, you get to try the software for 30 days. You don't like it, you ask for it, you get a complete refund. But let's go back into this. So remember, this was the buy to sell, the sell. We then saw in 33 days a 33% move down. Buy here, sell here. Don't take a 33% loss, right? That's what the software helps you to do. Tells you when to buy and when to sell. And then we had the magic buy alert here, and we are now up 90+%, give or take, right there. In 6 days, 7 days, we are up 90%. $2,000 bought would have made you $1,800 in profit. Your $2,000 back plus $1,800 in profit. That's how powerful this is. And for $1.15 per day, that's what I'm asking you. And you get a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee to try it. So give it a look. You want to use it to track stocks? There's Tesla right here. Buy here, sell here, buy here. Bitcoin right here. Buy here, sell here. 31%. Okay, you get the point. Here's a great one. XRP, right before, back when it ran. Look at this. Back in October, November, buy here, sell there, 408% in 49 days. That's what it helps you to do. Know when to buy and know when to sell. Links are right down there. I'll see you. Thanks for giving me a few minutes.